Today is 10th July. This is your daily dose of startup funding stories. Let's find out who got funded today and what's happening on the entrepreneurship street. Let's dive in. Integrid Technology has raised $5 million from Cactus Partners, an early growth stage venture capital fund. This is the first institutional round for the startup. Avine has raised $24.5 million from Japan-based Manavi Corporation, founded by Ananya Sarthak, Gurpreet Singh, and Praveen Kumar Sah in 2016. Avine helps enterprises run their businesses via outcome-based execution along with discovery, deployment, and payroll. Centrity, a business-to-business e-procurement platform, has raised 6 crore rupees in a new round led by Emergent India Ventures with participation from Atrium Angels, Alluvium Capital, Venture Garage, Coral Bay Ventures, HOF, and Brigade Group. Founded in 2022 by Daljit Singh, Centrity leverages mid-mile logistics, warehousing, and AI-driven inventory management solutions to empower hotels and restaurants to reduce costs. Deserve has raised $32 million in a Series B round led by Premji Invest. Founded by Sahil Contractor, Sandeep Jetwani, and Vaibhav Porwal, each with over 2 decades of experience in wealth management, Deserve is a wealth tech platform that manages over 7,000 crore rupees in client assets. Goat Brand Labs has raised $21 million in debt and equity from investors including BlackRock, Mayfield, NB Ventures, and others. Founded by Rishi Vasudev and Rameshwar Misra in May 2021, the Bangalore-based company is an aggregator of D2C brands and invests in digitally native brands in the lifestyle space, fashion, home, beauty, and personal care. Karmatech has secured $1 million in pre-series a round co-led by Umang Nehta, Rakesh Raman, and Vishal Makwana. Co-founded in 2011 by Krinal Shah and Arun Hattangadi, Karmatech serves in the B2B space in the retail market segments and provider of after-sale repair services for electronic products. The company offers multi-brand repairing services, refurbishment services, call center services, network and logistics services, customized and predictive solutions for electronic gadgets like smartphones, laptops, home appliances, and appliance brands. Felicity Games has raised $700,000 in its pre-seed round from DVC, Visceral Capital, and marquee angel investors including Kunal Shah of CRED, former Najara CEO, Manish Agrawal, Sriharsha Majeti, Nandan Reddy of Swiggy, and Sameer Pittalwala, head of gaming, Google Cloud, APAC, among others. Founded in 2023 by Anurag Chaudhary, Immunial Therapeutics has raised $12 million in the extension of series a round from Teba Middle East FZ LLC. This is the third round of investment for the Bangalore-based company since its inception in 2018. Founded by Biocon founder Kiran Mazumdar Shaw, oncologist and Pulitzer winner Siddhartha Mukherjee, and Kush Parwar, Immunial Therapeutics is an Indian clinical stage startup which is engaged in developing cell and gene therapies for cancer patients. It's also working on developing its own pipeline of chimeric antigen receptor T-cell, CAR-T, therapies and other cellular immunotherapies for management and treatment of cancer.